Hello, hello, hello. Hey guys, what's up? Sa balita diya. So, balik na po tayo eh. Sa atong schedule karon, cycling ta. Early in the morning kay naa may birthday karong adlaw. So, kung di nato ni buhaton karon ang atong exercise, wa na tay chance nga may exercise unya, no? Ay birthday man ninyo nako karon gud guys. So, it's my birthday today. So, first, dapat ang birthday nako in line sa goal nako for 2025, which is healthy lifestyle, healthy tanan. So, mao na karon na sayo sa buntag dire alas 7. Ganahan man ko ganiha sayo, pero natunat pa man sa gaduta. Pero sakto ra ni. Alas 7, 30 minutes. So, kita tag 30 minutes program, and then that's good. So, I'm excited. Mo join the guys aning live. Mga pag it so good. There we go. Barat ito guys. Let's go. I like that. So review gyapon niya to guys ha. Para di ta makapiright. Let's go. I like this. It's a birthday ride guys. Let's go.
To 100 cadence, resistance is 30 to 45. On my next two, and a bit more to resistance. The second cue coming your way, 15 seconds. It's music first today. So modify, this is you versus you.
Alright.
32 to 45, add it now. The more resistance you add, you may find that cadence naturally slowing down a little bit. Keep it 80 to 100.
So 80 to 100.
30 seconds. Push the cadence. 90 to 110.
Whew.
Really struggling to mix that. Bear with. 90 to 110 in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
90 to 110. Cadence guys. Woo. Warm up that. Iskot. Kaya na ni. Let's go. Oh. I like the music. I think we had a. I like it. It's 70.
Alright, we're wrapping up the warm-up. Set yourself a little attention. 4 working tracks. In total, we've got 13 FS. Let's give us a little pop moment. 75 cadence.
75 cadence. Let's go. We're on.
3 efforts. Each effort 25 seconds. You're out of the saddle. You're taking that resistance 40 or more.
Oh my god.
You'll be keeping that cadence around 75. Little Shawn Mendes moment, Stitches in May 2015.
Sayo pas buntag, banat na ni Sinday.
Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that You ready?
I don't know about you guys, but wow, you have to do something.
3, 2,
Let's go.
Resistance. 40 or more. We've got a little hop, hip hop dance vibe for you today. The decade is 2010.
Let's go.
I'm gonna give you a little hint for the genres.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, saddle.
Ah,
We've got a bit of time here. So let's
Recover.
discipline. The
discipline.
base cadence and resistance, 75 cadence, resistance 35 or more.
Oh shit.
Like how I've given you the month of release as well. I'm such a nerd when it comes to music facts.
Grabe ka tugnaw diri ron guys ha. All my nanduhan ako ka fireplace diri sa silong. Turn on tanan. Whew. Para puta pa rin ton.
3, 2, 1,
Let's go.
And the resistance, do not be shy. Only 20 minutes. Don't waste a moment. Only drop track. Hit the back. 3, 2, 1, saddle.
Condition na ta guys.
30 seconds.
Okay na.
We gotta get
Seconds.
epic 3 of 3
Whatever.
in your first working track. 15, we take it up. So looking in 75 cadence. Being bold to that resistance. Enjoy being on the dance floor.
Ah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ah.
10 more. Warming up nicely, friends. We're gonna keep focused on resistance. We'll go to our first climb track. Settle down. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Next track. 2015 is our year, middle of the decade. 10 years old this year.
Baby girl, you're so damn fine though. I'm trying to know if I can
63 on the cadence.
I'm sleeping on you like some
Resistance 40 or more. 6, 7, 9, 51.
Dance like a
Climbing.
Benjamin. So
We'll get away from this song.
traded in my shoes for some.
Alright, into 10 seconds we're going in. We're not wasting any time. 20 seconds, 3 times over. By the time you ride that type resistance, 45 or more. Take it up in 3, 2, 1.
I like the music anyway, Hannah.
Three, two, one, down.
Tell me what you see. Is it money or it's me?
Alright, back to that 63 cadence. We're getting sticky with it, heavy with it. Resistance around 40. 2 is gonna see us to the resistance 50 or more. You got 20 seconds.
Ah, grabe na.
I had an ex-boyfriend that loves this song. But you know what? Separate the two. The track is great. The X is not. Goodbye. Suck it up. Listen. Don't ever use it to be effective, friends. When the track is good, you gotta keep it. You know what needs to go. Bring it down in 3, 2, 1. 2 done.
Ah,
1 to go.
grabe. Pagsugod ako ba?
This time.
Ikumpara ni mo pagsugod yun ako cycling ba? Murag,
55 or more.
pangayan mo tatanawon ron kaysa una, no? Dako kay tugtiyan. Pero nagapitiyan, pero wala na. Whew. Ah, diha.
Come on. 3, 2, 1, settle. 2 tracks back to back when resistance was
Wow.
Now let's
Whew.
have a moment. March 2015,
Hoy.
80 to 100 cadence. Resistance 32 or more. I have this track. No. This track is not the night was warm, we were golden young. But it is nearly 2 months. 20 seconds, 2 efforts, pushing cadence. My first cue was to get that and something to resistance. If that doesn't feel good to you, don't worry about it. Then I'll lead you into 2 cadence pushes.
This is only a review of this wonderful coach here. I like the music so far. Wow. Kabatan nun ba? Nice. Ah, and I like her too. Let's go. I can't believe sa Yus Buntag, there are a lot of cyclists right now joining us. Abot yung mga more than 300 guys. Wow. Now it tells me I'm not alone. We are not alone, guys. So kamu po diha, banat na po mo. Di na ta. Yay! Come on, guys. Let's go.
Shoulder down, legs in the spine. Get ready to speed it up on 20 max.
Oh, really?
2, 1, go.
Ah, banat. This is a speed one, guys. Look. More than 100. Let's go. 32 resistance. Here we go. Slow.
Get yourself ready. I want us to push that cadence again. We'll go in just over 10 seconds. Leave the resistance
go.
on. If you want to have more, by all means go there. We'll have another little burst. A burst to that cadence. 120 max. In 3, 2, 1, go.
120 max. Kaabot ako 120. Let's go. Oh, I did. Right now, it's 121. 122 big birthday. Woo, there we go.
3, 2, 1.
Beautiful. Nice.
Little fever moment.
I like it. So far.
August 2015.
Guys,
Stay free on the cadence.
this is my 28th day. Oh,
This is how it's gonna work.
it's been a while.
15 seconds in the saddle. Then you get a little moment to ride. Then our next step is 45.
Yes.
The first 15 again will be in the saddle.
60
30 will be on the
cadence, 40 resistance. Here we go.
So a little combination.
Okay.
In total, at the end of this track, you've done 30 seconds of saddle climb, 30 seconds out of the saddle climb. Just split into 2 efforts.
2 efforts. Stiff climb. Wow.
Keeping it in the saddle with cadence of 63.
Stiff climb ko no guys kay gahi kay yung sikaran. So now.
For 15.
So gahi kay yung resistance ato.
1.
Banat ko. Kilang. I'm good. Kuha na to ang target. Resistance 40. Cadence 72.
2, 1. Release.
Release.
Keep it in the saddle.
Okay.
63 cadence. Resistance 40 or more. Feel that then.
Yeah, tira.
Stay with it. In just over 30. And the 2 is yours. 45 seconds total. First 15 in the saddle, second 30 on the dance floor. This is the penultimate track. Only one more after this.
You had me from the start, won't let go.
Yeah.
You ready to add in the saddle? Nothing less than 50. Maybe when we take it out of the saddle, we'll add a bit more, right? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 15 saddle.
Stiff climb, guys. We'll go. Let's go. Stiff climb.
Keep the resistance on. Maybe add more. Rise up. 30. Hips back. Dig deep. Heavy climb.
Heavy climb.
Make up your mind.
15 more.
Wow.
2, 1. Saddle release.
Ooh.
Hydrate. Give yourself a moment. Final track in the saddle. Bring out attention. That's central number. All right. 80 to 100 cadence. Resistance 30 or more. July 2015. Little Calvin Harris and Disciples moment. How deep is your love?
How deep is your love?
Cadence and resistance at the same time. How deep is your love?
Ooh.
So that's your effort. 15 seconds. Final effort 30. All of them in the saddle. Maximum cadence 120, resistance 20. We can bring second time. We go to 15. We went to 1. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? You ready? Taking the power up. Saddle. Push. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it, Peloton. Second number climbing. Let's fly.
Heavy climb. Let's go. Woo. Here we go, guys.
3, 2, 1. Release. Woo!
Woo.
Alright, this is where I'm going to relax on the discipline a little bit. If you want to slow the cadence right down, have resistance a little over 40, and take a moment out the saddle. I do not mind if you've got time. I'm going to join you there. I'll bring us back with 15 seconds to go before effort 2, which again is a 15-second push. Let's go, saddle. Resistance 30 or more, cadence 80 to 100. Calvin Harris, big to me in 2010. A lot of times spent in Ibiza. A lot of Calvin Harris moments. Effort 2 in 3, 2, 1, push it. Resistance back up, cadence push. Music doing its magic. 3, 2, 1, release.
Woo. One more push, baby. How deep is yours?
Today, Peloton.
How deep is your love? Your love.
Cadence 9. Finish it without you.
Okay.
One.
One more final.
30 seconds of work. Put it out for 2010 swinging. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 2010 feeling like yesterday. It's just me making you realize it's so awesome. Halfway. 15 more.
Gosh. Woo.
3, 2,
Ah,
1. Descending recovery.
oh my God.
100 cadence, 20
Whew.
to 30 resistance.
Ah,
Well done.
ah,
Little bit of Coldplay.
wow.
Wrapping up our 2010 ride. Adventure of a lifetime. November 2015. Hot work is done and dusted.
Ah,
I'm having a great time. I've got I think it's a 60-minute ride. Shifting all tracks from 2015. Every track starts and all of us are like, no. Perfect. Songs that transcend time, decades. So many memories. Hold it. Bring your legs to a stop in 3, 2, 1. Push down on the resistance knob. That's it. Right. Let's quickly stretch it out. But as always, I'm going to go into post-ride recommendations.
Not bad, guys.
Right now,
Out of 400, 198 sound.
Heels down, toes up.
Logawa.
Hips back. Forearms down. Shoulders away from the ears, lengthen the spine. Hips down, toes up.
Whew.
Coldplay, I feel like Coldplay's music within the beat to like 3 people in intimate settings or stadiums around the world. And it's just like spine and tingling. It's made for both movements. Half a pedal stroke, other leg forward. So stretch on the side. Work out if there's any parts of the body that feel different either side. Breathe fresh energy into your body. Light grip on the handlebars. We're going to wrap this up and find the saddle in 3, 2, 1. Hips down, chest up, hands away from the handlebars and put the energy up. Look the hands together, now to heart center. Give yourself a moment of recognition. We did it, 2015 crew. Alright, well done. I'm proud of you. I'm the Ashley for all this. That is your 20-minute, 2010s ride. Done and dusted. Thank you for the hard work. I will see you for more workouts soon. Have a great day.
Taking shape. Yeah, diamonds, taking shape.
Alright guys. Managid. Sa gawin mayo ni. Kasi oras na. 7:24. Okay. Dungaga na tog low impact ride, guys. There we go. Kulang gamay.
What's up, Peloton? How are you? I'm Ali Love. Welcome. This is an Extra 10 low impact ride. Now, low impact is all in the saddle and it's all in the name. That we're going to be less jolting and jeering on the body. So I want you to make sure you're on the lighter of the resistance and never at an extreme cadence. At any point, you need to modify. Be my guest. Take a look at your touchscreen. These are the numbers for my guidance today. Resistance is your row control by the knob. To the right is up, to the left is easier. Cadence is leg speed, and output is a combination of both. You should have already taken a class already, so you're nice and warm to just tack this on as an extra 10. Resistance somewhere 25, 35.
We're good.
Cadence when you're ready, 70 to 80. Drop your shoulders, your elbows, slide your butt on the front of the saddle.
All right, another review, guys. Cute pa yung coach na to. Here we go. Binayo.
Low impact ride is one of the things that I always do. This is Big Yellow Taxi. There's a cover. These are all covers. This is covered right now by Counting Crows, featuring Vanessa Carlson. I always ask you who's the OG.
Low impact ride, guys. Here we go.
Right here, 70 to 80 cadence, maintain that speed. In about 30 seconds, I'm going to bring you right into the deeper tempo, okay? It's 88 above where we are right now. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. A way to find 88 cadence is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You're remaining here for the next 2 minutes.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So low impact na guy, aday.
Side-to-side motion with your upper body by engaging your core without restricting your oxygen intake. So keep those breaths nice and deep and long and controlled.
Same sa running, guys.
If you're working through any injury or tension or spiciness in your body, bring extra and
Here we
oxygen.
go.
This only last night, I heard you scream all the night. Big yellow taxi took my girl.
In 10 seconds, I'm going to ask you to add 2 to 3 on resistance without compromising your cadence.
But you don't know what you got till it's
2 to 3 right here. Add it on. Nice and easy. Good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
You don't know what you got till it's gone. To be in paradise, put up a fucking line. One night they say paradise, you put up a fucking line.
60 seconds right here. Lots of tempo with the mechanic. Then go full pedal strokes with the accent of the knees coming up as if you're hitting your knees under a tabletop. 1, 2,
This is my birthday ride, guys. Good morning, good morning. Here we go. Balik alindog ta. Kamu po diha, banat na po, mga idol. This is my birthday ride, guys. Good morning, good morning.
As we work out of this song, we have a couple more counts.
Balik alindog ta.
6 every 30 seconds on 30 seconds off. All resistance seconds.
Kamu po diha, banat na po.
Nothing too heavy. Who's the OG? You know? Was written and recorded in 1970. Joni Mitchell, Never Lie Lie. Alright, friends, we're gonna pick up cadence. It's a quick tempo, anywhere 85, 95. 95 cadence here. It's the tempo. If you can lock in, let's hold that.
Okay.
Resistance somewhere 25, 35. I'm gonna ask you to add 2 to 3 on resistance for 30 seconds and then release the tension for 30 seconds. We got 3 in this track. First one, reach down. 2 to 3 on resistance now. There we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I love rocking around Joan Jackson. Joan Jackson and the Black Hearts. She's covering this song. Who's the OG? 3, 2, 2 to 3 off resistance.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2.
Whenever some of us is quick, you're okay. Doesn't matter, it's all the same. Try your best. 2 to 3 on resistance at 95 cadence. Or your best one faster in 3, 2, 2 to 3, added here. 30 seconds.
Makes me moving on.
Halfway there. 8,
1,
7,
2, 1,
6,
2, 5.
5, 4, 3, 2. Reach down 2 to 3 off resistance. Keep the tempo, keep the pace. One more in this track. Now we're going to keep this pace into the next track. It's a little quick. That's what we're working on. Smoothing out the pedal strokes without missing a beat.
Moving on and singing that song. Yeah, with me. Singing I love rock and roll. Putting up the down in a jukebox, baby.
We go in 3, 2, 2 to 3 on resistance. Hold it. Come on. I gotta be honest, I put a little light to in life when I realized this was a cover. This was originally recorded by the Arrows in 1975. I was not ready that this wasn't a 1981 signature original. I wasn't ready for that. 3, 2, 2 to 3 off resistance. We're rolling into our final track right here, Torn. This is actually a cover by Natalie Imbruglia. So right now you're in a recovery. I want you to bump your cadence up if you can to 97. So 90 to 100 the cadence range, the tempo is 97. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This time, 30 seconds up, 30 seconds off. You're adding 3 to 4. In 3, 2, 1, add it on. Come on.
It's only a review, guys.
Add the effort here. 3
I'm
more.
having fun right here. I like it. Binaya.
4, 3, 2, 3 to 4 off resistance. Keep 97 if you got it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Four, 3, 2, 3 to 4 on resistance. 30 seconds right here. This is number 5 of 6. You only have one more. We're halfway through this one. 4, 3, 2, 3 to 4 off resistance. 30 seconds. One more, number 6. Good job, everyone. Who's the OG?
Me. Chains.
You're adding that 3 to 4. Nothing too heavy, nothing too hard.
Late.
3, 2, 3 to 4 on resistance. Bring it home before you hit our descending recovery.
Let's go, guys. Almost there. 11 seconds.
10 seconds.
Bye. Ooh. Let me. Let's go. Woo. There we go, guys. Thank you. Congratulations, CJ. Happy birthday once again. Boom. Boomba. There we go, guys.
Any idea who the OG or OGs are on this one? Fun fact, in 1995, Danish-Norwegian band Etneslag recorded this. It was a breakthrough record. Then Danish singer Liz Sorensen in Danish in 1995. Recorded
Kultan
it.
ta.
And then it became a breakthrough hit in 1997 with Natalie Imbruglia. Get a little shocked by the cover sometimes. I think it's theirs, you know? Slow it down, slow it down. Maybe your journey ends here, maybe you're stacking. If you're stacking, go ahead. Be sure wherever your journey ends, whether it's here or the stack, you have a 5-minute cool down, 5-minute post stretch, one hand up the bike, other hand up the bike, show yourself a pedal box, some love. Come out of the saddle, shake those buns, drop those heels. Beautiful work. My low impact rides always are covers. This is a cover. Pedal through, opposite leg forward.
Nice,
Hips
please.
on the handlebars, open up the chest, drop the shoulder. Saddle back when you're ready. Well, I have you here. Let's unclip together. One leg straight, one knee close to your heart. If this is where your journey ends, I want you to pay attention. The knee that's close to your heart, your foot is flat. You're gonna go toes in, heels out as a swift motion. So flex the foot, swift motion, toes in, heels out. You're gonna step into the intersection of the bike. Do not straddle the bike because that can pull your hands straight. Intersection of the bike behind the knee. Hand on the handlebar, hand on the saddle. Same thing, toes in, heels out. Flex foot, quick switch. And amazing. Inhale. Exhale. Ali Miss Little on social for all the goodness. Ali Love in real life. Great job today. Peace.
This is Peloton Studio, New York, guys. Love it. So, lami ba kayong idagan? Pero ihatod na ko ang akong anak sa school. So, I'll get ready, guys. Congratulations. Wa mo kasugod yung exercise, guys. Come on. Ay, duwa-duwa diya. Wanat na ta. Ay! Tawa. From day one. Piting dakuha na ko, guys. Naagi na improvement. Trust me. I don't need to say it, eh. Kita mo sa resulta. Naagi resulta gamay. Gamay or dako. Importante na ay progress. Nice. Hulog kado. Yeah. Whew. Thank you, guys. Hanggang sa muli. We good. Why boxing ron? Cycling lang ta. So,